Acer Aspire 15 laptop, 15.6 inches Full HD E5-576G-5762. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I wish I could have read a review from an average person who doesn't work on computers for a living, or isn't a full-time gaming nut. So here it is. I have always bought cheaper laptops, $200, $300 horsepowers. And I end up getting a new one every 2 years or so. I decided to step it up a little this time, and from the hours of research I did, this is where I ended up. So coming from those cheaper laptops, this thing is a dream. I mean, it is the Ferrari of laptops. It's fast, and I mean instant kind of fast. The SSD, solid-state drive, is what I understand makes it so fast. It's pretty, and clean, and feels and looks expensive. The biggest complaint I read about this laptop before I bought it was the screen. If there is a problem with this screen, I can't imagine what the people complaining are used to looking at. It's perfect. I mean, I have a nice quality 1080 HD TV hanging on my wall, and the picture on this laptop screen is every bit as good. You can view it from every angle also. I play a little Minecraft. I never knew how awesome it could look until I got this laptop. I downloaded a shader pack for it and ran it on the highest settings. Perfection. Also, the keyboard is backlit. There seemed to be some confusion in the Q&A section on that, but I assure you, it is backlit. See pictures. I never had it before, and I never realized how valuable it is. I will never have another laptop without backlit keyboard when I'm on it at night on the couch. It's amazing to have. If you're not a computer person, and you're having a hard time making a decision like I was, look no further. This thing is amazing. Update: it's been about 5 months now and I would still highly recommend this laptop. It works as smooth and fast as the day I bought it, and now I have loaded with apps and programs. I am the person that has 20 windows at a time open and it never bogs down. Tech gains have slowed significantly in the last 10 years or so, making this laptop as relevant as it was 5 months ago when I bought it. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.